Hey natural ladies, so today I'm going to be flat ironing my hair, which I haven't flat ironed in like a year. I'm going to be using the Babyliss Pro Prima 3000 flat iron, and I am going to have it at the temperature 410. You're going to see me start the temperature at 380, but 380 was not hot enough. It wasn't getting it as sleek as I wanted it to be. As you guys will see, this part is the part I did at 380, but it wasn't getting as straight as I needed it to be. Like, it was straight, but it was still kind of puff. But I'll let you guys watch. And then you guys will see I did put a little note in when I turn it up to 410. I know I'm cute. I know I'm sexy. So this is when I turn it up to 410, and if you pay attention, you'll be able to see this is much straighter than the hair that's under it that I did at 410, but I didn't want to go back over that first section, so I just left it how it was. But yeah, that's totally different than that first section. So as you can see, my hair is separated into 4 sections. I'm going to take a small piece of hair out to flat iron. I'm going to detangle that hair first with a paddle brush, then with the rat tail comb, and then I'm going to use the rat tail comb to do the chase method. That helps make sure there's no tangles in your hair while you are flat iron, and you can get it sleek as possible. I definitely did like these flat irons, but you need to be careful because they get really hot, like that. You saw me just burn myself. Because it's like 360 plated, so the whole entire thing gets hot. That just makes it easier for people who want to use this as a curler too. And just so you guys know, I already sprayed each section with heat protectant. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't get that part filmed on any part, but I definitely spray each section with heat protectant because I definitely want to make sure my hair doesn't get heat damage. And what you see me rubbing into my hair is the Ion Moisture Boost Serum. Fun fact, I actually won these flat irons on YouTube from Janae Mickles. Why is it making me look this bright? I turned 2 on my own. Logan. And then he look out the pack and play like he don't know what happened. No, he looking like, who gonna get this? I don't know what I'm doing to my thumb, but it sure is hurting. Dirt. The world? You should just been sweeping the dirt to one side. I forgot. Yeah, I have been. Remember I told you I couldn't find a dustpan?
Well, that was up under a bag or something. You shoved it under something.
No, somebody must have put a bag on top of it. My hair actually looks really dry to me, but I was scared to put a lot of product on it because when I was looking at other YouTubers flat iron their hair, I kept seeing people say, "Oh, like too much product will weigh your hair down," and blah blah blah. But next time I flat iron, I'm definitely gonna put more things in my hair to help it stay moisturized and look moisturized. I hope you guys found this video helpful if you were looking for a new flat iron. I also hope you guys found it satisfying if you just want to see someone with long type 4 hair flat iron their hair. Thanks again for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. If you have any more questions, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And also share this video so we can have more natural ladies come into our natural hair family.